So in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and make a new account on Snapchat. So it's very simple. Tap on sign up, put in your first name and your last name, then press agree and continue. Select the date of birth, tap continue. You can change the username or you can leave it as it is. You can tap on change username to change it, but we are going to leave it as it is. Tap on continue and then you can set a password. After setting the password, tap on continue. And then it would ask you, would you like to save this? Not now. You can use a number, you can use an email. So let me get the email real quick. Sign in. And then it will ask you to add friends. You can add those 9 friends if you want. So just can remove this. Add friends. Create Bitmoji. You can skip. And just like that, you've already created your Snapchat account.